Hello peoples! I'm finally getting the Motobecane mountain bike put together. Hopefully you can see me, hopefully you can hear me. This is kind of experimental. And slice this baby up and get this thing spread out, get this thing put together. And then I'm going to get that e-bike kit on here. So let's get started. HOBOTECH. I got this bike kit. I believe I got this from Lunacycle, and it comes with various and sundry. Use that, Jerry. It comes with a bunch of tools. I really don't know what most of them are for, but it said, hey, it's going to cover most of what you need. Oh, here we go. So we got wrenches for the bottom brackets, wrenches for the cranks, all kinds of goodies here. We got the chain thing. And there should be everything in here that I need in order to build the bike. And one of the reasons why I got this kit is because it does include a patch kit for tubes. Until I convert the tube, this kit, this bike I got, does have tubeless ready rims and tires. And I'm going to definitely convert it, but until then I actually have a patch kit. So that was nice. So I added it onto my order thinking, you know, even though these tools are cheap and junky, I'm probably only going to need them once or twice. So why not just go ahead and get the kit. Actually, I think it might have been $50 for this kit. I don't recall. Compared to the cost of the bike, it was nothing. I'll just put it that way. Got my socket set and my power tools. And since I couldn't find my old razor, my old box cutter, I got one of these. This thing's awesome. I love this. Quick change blade, and nice and sturdy, nice rubber. I don't have to worry about that stupid button. You know what, for being a mountain bike, that's very heavy. I've never had a bike with disc brakes before. Hydraulic disc brakes, so that is pretty awesome. I'll be invisible at night to cars. I'm gonna have to get a really good headlight system. I didn't get that yet, but that's gonna be next. Wow, that's so lightweight! Holy crow! You know, I remember being a kid with my 10-speed and changing the tires on it, and I do not remember them ever being that light. That's crazy. I couldn't imagine what like a $2,000 or $3,000 mountain bike would be. It's probably like floats by itself. You put helium in the tires and the thing would probably float away. That's impressive. I got this particular model because it had tubeless ready tires. It had a front, even though it's spring fork, it's not a pneumatic fork. Hydraulic brakes. And the fact everything was aluminum. The rims and the frame are all aluminum. And the big reason, right here, you guys see our front sprocket. Not only is it small, it's 30 teeth, but there's no what do they call that? There's no shifter mechanism. Derailleur. There's no derailleur in the front. It's 10 speeds in the rear. And since I'm replacing that front bracket with the motor, I don't want to have all this extra stuff to throw away, because basically you have to throw away. You throw all that away. You throw away the sprocket, the cranks. The whole bottom bracket bearing system's gone, and any cabling, shifters would all get thrown away. So basically, this was the only model I saw in the price range that I could afford that didn't have the front shifter. Yeah, or the front derailleur as they call it. And it had all the other features that I wanted. I did a lot of research before I bought this. I didn't want to get something that I was going to regret or cheapen out on, because originally my budget for a bike was about 300 bucks. And I realized that for 300 bucks, you're not going to really get, you're going to get nothing beyond what they sell at Walmart for 300 bucks. So I got this at bikesdirect.com, in case you're wondering. You can look up this model. Alright, that's it for the start of the unboxing. Now, I think I need to get those handlebars and seat on so I can flip it upside down and get the tire on. That's simple. No tools, that's kind of amazing. I know for a lot of you, you're like, what's the big deal? Like, nobody uses tools anymore. Well, hey, like I said, this is the first bike I've even touched in 20 years, so there we go. That works. I probably should skim through the book real quick to make sure that I'm not doing anything wrong. But I'm pretty mechanically inclined, so I kind of have to. I wish they put a marker in here so you know where the center is. Nope. Just gotta guess. Love guessing. Basically, I'm gonna just try to feel what I think is going to be the good tension, because these feel pretty lightweight and I don't want to put too much torque on them. That's probably about all I want to do. Okay, let's set this bad boy straight and tighten these. Weird. It's torque and then it gets loose. There it goes. Now I know these need to be pretty tight because this is your steering. Okay. Looks pretty good. You know what I just did? I just realized I put it on upside down. Okay, you guys can keep laughing at me now. I was sitting on the ground, I lost perspective, glad I didn't tighten this all the way. Okay, I got the handlebars back on the right way. Now I'm just torquing them down. Flip this bitch. Can't get over how lightweight it is. So this is I see it. This is just instructions on how to use the boost or the through axle. Push turn. Oh, neat. There. I should hold the wheel on. Unfortunately, it looks straight. That's pretty good. little warning sticker, don't stick your hand in there. Gee. Really? Why would they even put that on there? Oh, unless that's some kind of spacer, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's just a spacer. Yeah, guys, you probably can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, so that looks like it's on. See, this is why I like having the adjustable torque. And it's rubbing. I'm not supposed to do that. Let's just do 12. Be sure. I don't want to lose those. I would have to guess, like most brakes, they have a wear-in period where they'll actually be a lot more grippy. I guess I gotta put the pedals on, which I guess it's not really a waste of time to do that because I did want to putt around on this a little bit. Oh, there's a left and right side, I'm guessing, right? Oh, okay, it says right there, left and right. Okay, so it'd be this one. She is completed. The derailleur, the rear derailleur needs to be adjusted. It's skipping a couple of gears, grinding a little. But I'll adjust that after I put the motor on. But yeah, I adjusted the seat and the handlebars. I put 30 PSI in the tires to start. I might actually put a little more in there. They're still a little soft for my fat ass. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the two reflectors on real quick, and then I'm going to see if I get that bottom bracket off. There's no point in waiting. May as well see if I can get some of that work done today.
HOBOTECH commands you to like and subscribe, and clean my litter box.